Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to fix your WhatsApp video call problem. WhatsApp application has some of the best features such as voice calls, video calls, stickers, WhatsApp webs, and much more. But in case you are trying to make a video call to one of your contacts and you are failing, then this video is for you. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Some of the main possibility that leads to WhatsApp video call failures is you are not using a strong internet connection. First, make sure to be connected to a strong internet, whether you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are done, go back to your WhatsApp application and launch it on. From your contact list, choose any one contact and try making a video call by tapping on the video call button at the top right hand. If your main reason why you are not being able to make a video call is because of unstable network connection, then you should be able to make a video call once you are connected to a strong one. But if that's not the case and you are still having problem, the next thing to do is to update your WhatsApp application. Make sure your application is up to date, since an older version of an application might be infected with bugs that will keep you from using your application like you normally would. So in that case, go to your Play Store from your Android device, go to the search box at the top and type in WhatsApp, make your search, and right in the search result, tap on the update button in order to update your application. If you're not being able to see the update button right next to the app, but you can see the open button, that means your application is up to date. If it is not, simply tap on the update button and you should be able to update your application to the latest version. The updated version of any application comes with several bug fixes and performance improvements, so once you are done updating your WhatsApp, your video calling problem should be solved. If it still does not fix your issue, then the next thing to do is to make sure to allow necessary permissions to WhatsApp. By default, WhatsApp requires microphone and camera permission to make a video call successfully, so if you have denied that permission, then you won't be able to use the video call option. So simply go and check your phone's settings. Go and tap on the settings button from your Android device, and from the settings menu, tap on apps. In the apps list, search for WhatsApp and tap it on. As soon as you open up the app info page, scroll all the way down and tap on permissions. From the app permission page, tap on the camera option. Remember to allow the access for your WhatsApp by tapping on allow. Go back to your WhatsApp application after you're done and see if your problem is solved. That is how you can easily fix WhatsApp video calling problem on your Android device if your video call function is not working properly. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.